Okay, I was here at Kwaba live on GH Live Studios, Ghana's number uno. You saw our came for the biggest game of the weekend. Asante Kotoko Jina Kono Confederation Cup and I Bibiani Go Stars and so Ejina Kono. Now Go Stars opponent in the Omobo Mudium Pilo Namu. Omodio Musumia and a Nama when you have Bresa Crodom JS Kabili. Yes. Ɛno ɛho nsɛm ɛwɔ hɔ Samson Asante Kotoko deɛ no so nsɛm wɔ hɔ yenua Emmanuel Menya akwa akɔduru nkran na sɛ na Accra feelings ne sitia the last time ɛne Ortega di nkɔmɔ no na ɔsi euphoria na wɔ form kakra na in fact si akro Ortega sama information baako sɛ ɛm sɛ the euphoria no si wɔ form nti anhwɛ yi a ticket prices no kra emre ne brɛ kɔ no ɔmbɛtete so both we Kotoko ne from say JS Kabili that is Bibiani Go Stars deni nyina nti ye twen orge confirmation ya maye na ya toa so e de akọ yanim ewom but yenyim free different perspective yenua Emmanuel Menya nanaba akwa akudrun kran nom ne ade a o hya ase aye adwuma e de afro fanko nom ne ade akopi mu a e o ba bia so ofa bia nti se na ekọ se na honom so akwani aba no esiti ono so koduru ye no se na ne amesi kwa na ba cheche we bia abokọ de
Champion, bibi aboko.
Pejane na wabokenke.
This is the way.
Emuye. Kwara United, Omoba in batches. Few minutes ya na last batch, more or less. One touchdown and it's almost squad and they didn't carry a tuja. Eddie ama yena chief for GH Live Studios here, and I'm say I had you didn't come too rich this year. Na Kwara squad and said okay said I no me no gina so yebobo aha me ye na so
yes
and sister bia nhye da amamu yes 23 man squad na womo de Afiz Bankole and Isa Gata Akani Akim Shola Abdulrahim Mubarak Said Obiora Kingsley Toyib Gidado Ozo Philip Arinze Oborna Sean Ogurembigde Musa Abdulafiz Nuruddin Badmus, Junior Amufia, Alao Mohammed, Babantunde Bright, Aule John Mark, Ini Emmanuel, Said Olani, Aliu Salauddin, Victor Adioye, Muhammad Kabiru, and Yahaya Ibrahim, goalkeeper, Bako Akahu Biomoye, Yinumi, Suraju Ayelesu, Tisana Tier, Kotoko players, no Madin Kamo players, 3, and then Messrs. 2 Eswa Maomo. Aule John Mark is jersey number 8. Babatunde Bright is jersey number 9. Oma show mu na oma ni bone yes. Omu ni mbobo. And number 18 Obiora Kingsley. Ono so super pa nti see ade omo bia ho na yeto aso enya ye 3 goals and ye maximum point. Sanso and omo striker Moses Nyebe ono de maka wepra top striker pa wa maybe wepra or Tenefi more than 6 weeks, 11 weeks rather. Yes, Intisana is etie ewomo. Nanaba womo squad in last batch a touchdown. Sign and crying ACTN.
Champion, send your Jumano AC Etieno, Omadim Como. Na Meno Cassate, ye room our encrying pumpuni mantema Jumadino, Nina say crop your Kumasia Sante Kotokonyanko Yadma Sunday. Omo ene Kwara United game and baby any good stars or more opponents ebedruye na no pano ana Kwara United first batch ebedruye and then we know kasa see information ya gadan say omo ababedru Kotoka International Airport enche kra omo ebewrem hotel omo so kwakwaje omo ahome na ohwe sene esi etie na ye expect say Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko game and komene Kwara bebono Enyenka Baba Yara Sports Stadium ebo game no hwe send here Kumasi Africa na Osenka omo ebo ne ha but nhye na ntimi anko ne sa no afi na mpanyifo so from Monday no ma ya adwuma e wa Accra teams no nyina menka say about operation team about the technical team playing body any supporters leaders Somaka more Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko no game no but send here anka eye Accra Kumasi anka esitie no urem enso ewo Accra na entisa senie anka bi anka Accra Heart of Folk anka bia omo ebo CAF Confederations Cup and I said CAF Champions League and ka dede yene ne nneɛma esitie no yenya ne saa ɛwɔ Accra nti obedru nkranpumpuni mantam di asɛndeɛ infori oba ugura Accra town na mu a yenti dede no gidigidi bia te senka ɛyɛ Kumasi na nke bia Kotoko ɛbɔ omo CAF Confederations Cup na but uba Kumasi dia yefri Kumasi so ebewura mu no na Kumasi den dede na so egusu a penifo mo ase ehwɛ se metimi agada supporters no metimi abeka yɛn so ya yewura mu ɛwɔ Accra no ho na nka bibia so atumi akɔso ye but uba Accra ne dia sɛnye nka esi tie no ɛnyɛ saa ana yenya no ɛwɔ nkran.
Oh, okay. Enji sɛ Kumasi ya na yɛbɔ mu mume na flag ni ade ewo mu sɛ Sunday deɛ but ɛne Friday deɛ nka bi hu sɛ taxi driver bi na mamokom na ne flag tete na of Herbert Mensah mo time no ne of ya last mo time no na flag bɔ ho no ni ade no unhu Kotoko flag bi a sɛ bɔ cars bi a gidigidi saa Otega kan
mi bedru ene deɛ mi nyanhu bibi ɛte saa ɛwɔ ha sɛ and one thing is say minya nko wura mu wɔ Accra Sports Stadium but me no ka say deɛ sɛ flags bi bɛ ebedi ahimpo wɔ hɔ a na ebie bɛ baabi ne Gold Stars because baabi ne Gold Stars will play before say Kotoko enso bɛbɔ ɔmo deɛ no but minya nko wura mu nkɔhwɛ how Accra Sports Stadium enso esi ɛteɛ but oba ekro na mu deɛ a yenya nhu bibi nsa nka bi anka Kumasi a anka ofiri bi a keyetia ewuram ɛwɔ asafo ne ade a ɛde ɛkɔ stadium no nka bo si bi a Kotoko flags no eti ehim but bedu ha yebedu ha ne de bibia ne ho a ɛno so ɛkɔ saa ɛwɔ ha sɛ nti sɛne Motega di kan ɛde ma wo no yɛn so bedu wura ɛwɔ ha sɛ yɛnya information bi a ana sɛ yɛnya ade bi a kyerɛ sɛ Kotoko ɛba ɛbɔ Nyankopɔn yadoma Sunday ɛwɔ Accra Sports Stadium.
Okay. Now so far kakra wa gather fa Kotoko with regards to a year yomu a yewie any ade di besi samre yenim se kwampoku de wepra he's not part of the squad kwami pra no kra nchire mu ama me informative for ne se we ka ebe ko South Africa do nya knock ebo bi ni ade be hwe from ema ene ho no eno sei na yese nka homegie baba kwami to for so ko kama ho na so yakọ okuprai ena kwami nso ho nso sadi gina no say ma kwami ya na kwami slow kakra we in game nti we ya aba we crack kakra no obi be se ha dwen na nso ebeboa ma watimi recover yie papa dan se odi pra be hye no ho a obebo nti kwami situation there we totally out of this game mostly crack second leg no o mobi but yenim say other players with sell order more and crash no they say Koko no Shaibu and Shaibu yes Peter Amidu Akwa women so at become more training air so then one gather for Kotoko so far.
Boss, the challenge club your Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no ekowura mu ewa enkan no we training from Monday Tuesday na no mo yen elwak and then and the training go so mo and training mo yen na no mo yen o Accra Sports Stadium yes enti Kotoko from Enra and the training mo yen na no Accra Sports Stadium mo dey prepare na ye di kan to yahwefo anim say Lord Amua, Peter Midu Aqua, and a Shaibu, Abubakari, or started a recovery at the Macrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But Meno can say, see, and training Gusua, and also our Accra Sports Stadium. Though the young Remo and pay more update and from Honum. But, Koma, Yadidi from Andra, any other paying Koma, Yadidin say, Abrantani Din, and the Lord Amua. Or no right fullback Edema Club Yokumasi Asante Kotoko and Abrantani Din also Eddie Peter Amidu Aqua or left winger at the Emma Club Yokumasi Asante Kotoko or more Astatia or more air kickball now Endra trainer or more or more full training at the Club Yokumasi Asante Kotoko from the start to the end of the training or mutimi na epi so or more part of the players are aka group training course no mutimi part of it or more 8 years Shaibu Abubakar no na ne de no enye gidigidi bia so training ground but me no ka say de wait my good news e de free say Peter Amidu Aqua any Lord Amua ebe to me aka club Kumasi Asante Kotoko squad omo edibe rem abo Kwara United no. So that is the good news and also aba e Okrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and so akache but who team ni mo dia na information ye gana say ye nua Saka Dawuda and so apeke knock kakra do Peter Miduaba Peter Miduakwa aba but na Saka Dawuda and so apeke knock from omo eye kakra so e wo ho but yegusu ye bedru ye ntimi awuram e wo Accra Sports Stadium ne ntino yegusu e be gana say otumi enye ni nyina emfa ema wo mti yegusu ye monitor from grounds na yahwe sen ye eno so esi etie but o hwe two players medi kan de omudin ema Peter Amidu Akwa ene Lord Amwana nyankopon adomoma start ya omo eye ball work ni kakra e de ema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na wohwe Saka dia na yedi hu enkomo na players omo aka from 3 goalkeepers omo ajo team ni mo sisi omo eye training to the last player Jordan Ebisa no omo nyina egusu omo eye training kama at the Emma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko but one thing is say ukowem ewo Accra Sports Stadium player formation ye gada ne say the modern bono ene e wosoro ama the technical team na started clapping for him ni nyina say when to me team ni mo ntema me started pre-season no amfa Makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko but niema bia omo eye ewo training grounds no omo ne say o adapt ne ntem ye pa eno eye Walid Nema Fuseni enti o hwe Walid Nema Fuseni from information ye gather na kire say wa adapt coach no system ne ntem ye pa and it's likely say enche cramp no obetimi adjoin the starting 11 no at the Amakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko dodi kan eye before say omo ekwakobo game omo ne bekum Chelsea ebo nye no eno ana ogusu ene owura Kotoko training grounds oye ne kakra ewo ho na player am say development abaye pa so ewo ne side Philip Amo na eba say on running sisi no say running no or the biaka hu ye papa and oye good in running too oye good eba say ya attack do omo any baby the Chelsea game no onya 2 or 3 chances bia nka was so convert na di Makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ankoye amfa ama akodana na sa brantie no but omugusu so working on that the mano Morfin Donzo Albert Amwa omunyina ejinemu omu adwuma ye the Makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko okokotoko ekire hono ma Samba O'Neil any Joseph Abulolo still omu ana ejiremu omu training go Kotoko omu center back no at the Makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and ohwe sene esi etie ewo training grounds na bibi a kire say 2 players omu jinemu last season ewo ekire ho at the Makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko 4 and 5 no me kire Samba O'Neil and Joseph Abulolo enema ekoso ye ho coach Abdul Karim Zito Prince Yawusu and Hamza Obe enyaje omo pairing no pa ehuye ye bom pa is nyankopon eya duma omo ni Kwara United game omo bebo no enkofa mistakes bia emma Kotoko enconcede goal ewa Accra Sports ndi ura Kotoko omo training grounds enema positive ewo ho ekoso nkakra ewo ho no ura eba supporters leaders no so aside omo nyina enso timi aba chairman Solomon Ofosu Gware awuram enso ewo Accra omo nyina ekọ radio tour ne ade didi nkomo se de be ya Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko game omo ene Kwara United bebo no supporters no betimi aba na omo aba be share Accra Sports Stadium ma no betimi support Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ama omo enye win na nyankopon ya aduma next week no se omo kopie ewo Nigeria enkoye twema mentwe na se enkoye pressure bia emfa Makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ti okọ grounds players no side technical team side any supporters operations obi agusu omo eyo madwuma nkakra enso ewo ho but send ye nanka ye expect senka Kumasi anka city no enye sa anete ewo Accra
enye sa city ewo Accra that's and the nature in him that anti let's hope say radio turn on more no ebe yi positive results na ya hwese the instance so no betumi akọ draw na so far the media say ube follow team no na the film be no so they are two yenim kama send nema esi aircon. Now Bibiani Go Stars so almost omonia kose ma hu se nkofo na no mbeba ndi o pillow nam.
Yes, Sunday etie no me buy no na enkomo no esi etie no ase supporters a omo ewo menka ne say o say eba Africa dia ha ayana enye team no nko supporters but ayana Ghana yenyina ana ye hwe aboama ne ma timi akoye and omo hwe the appearance a team no ede eba ye omo Jesus some kids a hye omo any ade ne how am I prepare myself eba even playing am with the free ho eba any ade na ama Ghana for no dodo na ehu wo mu say eh eti omo mehye ba bi ni Go Stars enkwade because team every Algeria ba na wo hwe send the players no hye omo ho no maboabo omo ho omo appearance omo dia ba bedu enkran pumpuni mantem ha say dia ama pressure enso egom but wura ba bi ni Go Stars omo team no ekampa na woni omo team manager Kwasi Adu edi nkoma the all can say omo play as a home because though enye baby no mo body omo born Accra but say omo born Ghana ha nko ade omo arehwemu say enema betimi akoye enso etimi edi amount and those players are omo ewo baby no Go Stars team mu a omo so gusu a omo omo so started training say Kotoko start here on Monday no the same day now omo so start here or baby no mo so gusu a omo prepare towards omo any JS Kabili game a Yankopon Yadma Saturday and also ever cause nti ni nyina ye be monitor ye free ho eba ne ye free Kotoko so camp eba ne Kwara and then JS Kabili and so camp be nyina na ye da ma ya hwefo and ye tiefo.
All right, Nana we better say at this juncture na ye de wasi ha we be catch to chitafo mo me supporters union Black Star bobo mo share jerseys ni ade ebepiem no mbeba be support porcupine tertiary porcupine tertiary enom ni ade mo so ministry no yeso mo no makasa omo so be share Black Star top and that is red gold green ibi e dey aba be funya mu aka ho amane ma massive hu eno so say positive kakra.
Oh yes, very positive and even Osha Ghana Supporters Union nimua. There were a lot of Kotoko supporters or more enso eka ho and omo nyina ebo organize omo self say omo nyina betimi aba na aba beboa and Osha say omo eba na a very positive news at the Emakrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and sisi anhyehyɛ mpo a chairman on say any chairman solo di nkomo a wo de eto so no o kan say omo ye nhyehyɛ na nhyehyɛ no omo ye na outcome aba nyankopon ya aduma Sunday so we Kotoko supporter na untimi mewura mu Kumasi a baby a wo bia o hwɛ ye no ye fast na bra Kumasi ni nyina ne say omo e de ayalolo sa ekofo bass no boss so o kai sa bass no aha omo de sa bass ni bi na airco and the bass omo de airco no ebetimi ay more than 5 ni nyina se anka sika anka wo kɔ enkran pumpuni mantem a obetua ne se me bei betua 1.2 oh anka 1.2 no untua 1.2 no na anka wo betua we register for abu census na wo betua only 50 Ghana cedis 50 Ghana cedis na wo de kwa aba so we register for abu census o ba na o de Kotoko number aba ene oduru kwa me Kotoko number niye na ye hwe ne wo say yes we for abu census a wo hɔ a 50 Ghana cedis ana o de fi Kumasi akɔ nkran asan so aba na o register ya ene wo betua 100 Ghana cedis ubetua 100 Ghana cedis so wutina mu a na nka wa kyerɛ wo sɛ oh me pɛ me so me join it na me so me register for abu census no anka ye kɔ another one a ɛne atua ketewa bi na yɛtumi adi akɔ nti ɔma yɛ san hyehyɛ nyina nso ɛwɔ hɔ and on sɛ Kumasi fo no bebere bɛkɔ abiam koduru hɔ a ticket nsɛm ne ade no ɛbɛha ɔmo yie paa sɛ wopɛ sɛ wotɔ ticket na Kotoko game ɔmo ne Kwara bɛbɔ wopɛ sɛ wotɔ ticket ne bi a ɛyɛ star 365 star 1935 hash star 36 hash star 1935 hash na also to ticket our online. It's here for no go kono kwako do Accra Sports Stadium and Sunday be our kwako to ticket and Sunday na kwako ye pressure and then near be derby. Obetimi ato ne sisia na ama as a supporter de ma Kotoko no ohun atimi ahare o ha he ha ukodu hwa na ne ode kire ya na wuram eso nti an hihye bebre ana mpanyimfo no aya obetimi aka we de afo enye kumase ka wo kumase krampa nka ide obefro car na aba for 50 Ghana cedis one register for abu census moma ye nyina ye mra na ye nko tai Kotoko enso achi nyankopon ya adoma Sunday e wa Accra Sports Stadium na Kotoko WhatsApp platform na egusuo dodo na air join it wa unyan join it here no contact me or +233 5571 55505 +233 5571 55505 nti o contact me na me waka Kotoko WhatsApp platform nti boss player me do be sia say na yenya botre na ya wuram ye beto fam bia no ye san so e de beka mo
okay. That's it. Okay, that is the report. So far, Euphoria is still down. The Ghana, yeah, Ghana capital city. And I say in group one, Accra, no Kotoko, and a game. Bibiani Go Stars. Almost so airborne in Yamebo Saturday, no, na Kotoko abone there Sunday, no. The Euphoria is still down. But Bibiani did not claim your reporter about Conso, Cratch and D. Emmanuel Menyan and Abana then they abichem Edecono. But the other reporter, a rare super Michael Tifo Tegan so epic story be our day mind say I am paying for your meetings here say and sha or more share I'm an query so ticket no besini musa dia any umber no my home meeting echna the statement be about bounty because one person nipa pim stadium mama the monitor grounds near no so they be free my baby around Yadema in a tier 4 or for Pokunti, any of Fakosia Piamonso, a Rema as usual. Said they own massive support and our mother back situation and I see me Crabeshe, Nabibia, Akoso 101. We did Derek Saint Kizito. Yeba, you could have more stories as here the some more.